Hello everyone, welcome to solve a nice math Olympiad problem which is x plus y is equal to 8 and xy is equal to 64, and here it is we find the value of x and y. So first of all we can be written as this first x plus y is equal to 8, and now this y is here and is equal to 8, and this plus x is minus x, and now here this x y and xy is equal to 64, and here it is the value of y, and so that we can be write this x, and here we put the value of y, and y the value is this 8 minus x, and is equal to this 64, and so here we multiply this 8x minus x square minus this 64. This 64 moved here is minus 64 and is equal to 0. So here this minus x square moved here, minus x square, and this plus 8x minus 64 is equal to 0, and here x, this x and minus is minus 1, and now x square and minus plus minus 8x minus minus plus 64 is equal to 0, and here we use quadratic formula which is b square minus 4ac, and here we put the value in this formula, and b square is minus 8 square, then minus 4, a is times 1, and c is times this 64, and now this is 8 multiplied 2 times is equal to 64, then minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 64 is 256, and here is subtract and minus 192, and now here the two values of x, first and 2, and is equal to minus b and plus minus square root 0, then over 2a, and then here we put this minus 8 plus minus square root minus 192, and then over 2, and now this 8 is here plus minus square root minus 192, and here x and is equal to 8 plus minus, and this square root negative is square root negative 1, then times this 192 can be written as square root 64 times square root 3, and then over 2, and now eight plus minus, and this 64 is 8, and this square root minus 1 is I, and square root 3, then over 2, and this 2 divided by 8 is equal to 4, and now 4 plus minus, and this 8 is 4I and square root 3, and here it is the two values of x. First value of x is 4 plus 4I square root 3, and the second value of x is 4 minus 4I square root 3. And now here we can solve the second example is this 4 is equal to 8 minus x, and so we can solve this. Y is equal to 8 minus x, and now here the first value of y is equal to 8 and then minus, and here we put the value of x, and the x value is this 4 plus 4I square root 3, and 8 minus 4 minus 4I square root 3, and now here this 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 minus 4I square root 3, and here it is the first value of y. And the second value of y is equal to 4 plus 4I square root 3, and now x and y. Here x value is 4 plus 4I square root 3, and the y value is 4 minus 4I square root 3, and here 4 minus 4I square root 3, 4 plus 4I square root 3, x plus 8 is equal to 8, and xy is equal to 64 is x plus y is equal to 8, and here 4 plus 4I square root 3 plus 4 minus 4I square root 3, and is equal to 8. Here is x and y, and now this is cancelled out with this, and this 4 and this 4 is equal to 8 and is equal to 8, and now its verification is true. And it is a verification is x plus 8 is equal x plus y is equal to 8, and now here we verify the xy is equal to 64, and so here we verification is xy is equal to 64, and now here we can solve with the help of a nice algebraic identity, which is x square minus b square is equal to a plus b and then a minus b, and now here we put 4 square minus 4I square root 3 square and is equal to 64. And this 4 square is equal to 16, and then minus this solution is 16i, and then times 3, and is equal to 64, and 16 plus, and this is multiply, is equal to 48 and is equal to 64, and 48 plus 16 is 64 and is equal to 64. And here it is, this verification is true. And now this xy is equal to 64, and then 4 plus 4i square root 3, and 4 minus 4i square root 3, and is equal to 64. And now its verification is this. And thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.